I hope you are doing well. In this webinar, we will talk about DLL side loading attack. So let's get started. First of all, who am I? I'm a threat hunter who works in this industry for several years. I've been in the different type of incident response projects, threat analysis, and threat hunting. What we will cover in this webinar, let's have a brief talk about what we will cover in this webinar. First of all, we will cover, of course, all of you know that what we will cover, what is a DLL? So what is a DLL and how gets a DLL load? DLL load. Number three, DLL search order. That's an important concept that you have to know about DLL search order. DLL export function. We will cover what is DLL export functions, and after that we will cover DLL hijack and try. Okay. Today's session we will cover all of these in a brief format. Of course, we don't have enough time, but in a brief format we will cover what's a DLL actually. Of course, all of you know that, but a DLL is a library. What's a DLL? A DLL is a library that contains code and data that can be used by more than one application at the same time. So if you have a DLL, there are so many apps that they can use this DLL. So the DLLs can be custom created by the developers, or the DLL can be system built-ins that they are already in system. DLL hijacking can be used for persistent when a vulnerable application or service is started and the malicious DLL has been planted in the vulnerable location. Okay, I discovered the DLL hijack in Microsoft OneDrive in the form of version DLL. So let's have a demo of DLL hijack for OneDrive, and then we will go through DLL proxying and then threat hunting these techniques. So here it is. You have two DLLs. One of them is original one in the app directory, and one of them is malicious. As you see before, the malicious DLL loads in the memory, but in the real scenario, the app wouldn't work because the original one didn't get slow. Okay, so in a real attack, you have to load your DLL and the original functions. Okay, so you have to do is DLL proxy. How to hunt this attack? Okay, we will hunt this attack with two scenarios. One of them is with PowerShell, and the other one is with Sysma. Okay, one of them is for PowerShell, and the other method is for Sysma. OneDrive process. Okay, here it is. Nice. So here we will see OneDrive.exe. It's the app directory. Okay, and there's a DLL here. It's valid. Microsoft is the issuer. Okay, here it is. The exe is valid. The version.dll, it's our malicious DLL not signed, and the origin.dll, it's our original DLL that we have proxied the functions, as you remember. It's valid by Microsoft. So here is a malicious DLL that's not signed in the directory, in the app directory of the OneDrive. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the webinar. I hope you see you in the future. Thanks for coming. Have a good night. Bye.